Here's the Heathrow Terminal 4 Holiday Inn Express. And I'm going the wrong way. It's a big airport and a big hotel too. Okay, I found my room, 460. Let me show you around. Here is the bathroom. What have we got? Towels, Kleenex. We got this parsley hand and body wash. Shower. And what has it got? That doesn't look great there. Hand and body wash and purple kale shampoo. Huh, so bring your conditioner. Okay, I didn't see a hair dryer. Oh, this is probably the hair dryer out here. They have this weird little tiny kind of shelving unit that sticks out from the wall with the iron and the hair dryer, and a mirror on the side, and then a little place to hang stuff up. Whoops. There is a luggage rack and a shelf, and there's a cute little table with a little couch, and it's got lots of outlets there. We've got air conditioner. By the way, this room required the key to go in a slot by the door in order to turn on any lights, so it was pitch black except for the TV being on when I came in, so that's something to be aware of. Got a kettle. Let's see how the kettle looks. How do you open the kettle? I don't know. Oh, there we go. There. Yeah, it looks pretty good. What have we got? Tea, and we got some Nescafe coffees. And let's take a look at our view. Here's the view. Oh, it's looking down into the interior courtyard of the hotel itself. So there's a restaurant and the other floors there. Anyway, this hotel is in Terminal 4. I was put here because my flight was canceled, turned around about an hour into it. About an hour into our flight from London to San Francisco, I glanced at the flight map and noticed we were circling over land. That's when the pilot came on. He said there was a mechanical issue, not an emergency, but we were turning around. And casually he added we were circling over Scotland to dump fuel before landing. Dump fuel? I remember thinking two things. I'm very glad they caught this, and sorry, Scotland. It wasn't chaos and there was no panic, just one of those moments where everyone on the plane is weirdly silent and you remember you're 35,000 feet in the air. A little bit nerve-wracking, but reassuring that they made the call early. So I had to reschedule a new flight for tomorrow, and the airline put us up at this hotel. So I imagine that is a frequent use for these hotels in Terminal 4. But it looks like pretty nice, comfortable hotel room. Here's an early morning view out the hotel room window, so you can see better what it's like. It's kind of weird because the one side of the hotel has the Holiday Inn Express, and then that side is some other hotel. I can't remember the name of it. I'll add it in the at the bottom of the screen there. So I'm not sure how that worked out, but that is the case. Pretty nice hotel, nice and clean. So So here's the Destinations bar, and they've got all kinds of drinks, and then they do have food back here. They had some salads and sandwiches. Fairly good food selection here.